welcome back to my channel. It's 2020. Happy New Year to everyone. I am so stoked that this is the first video of 2020 that I'm doing for YouTube, and I'm also happy and so stoked because we have a couple of products to unbox that I got during the month of December, and I wasn't able to actually film it for you guys, but now that I'm here we can do the unboxing. Today's video is actually sponsored by Zigofly. Now Zigofly Kenya is actually a company in Kenya that actually ships products from the US and the UK, and then it ships them to Kenya. So you can order your products from any of those countries and then, you know, ship them to Kenya, and it's much more cheaper and easier than buying products in the stores in Kenya. And you know, a kilo is $20, so which is reasonable, and I've been shipping with them for the past year, so it's a company that I actually trust and a company that I actually love. So heading on to the website, it's such a very colorful website. I love the yellow and it's very informative. Basically you get to see what the customers are saying, what services do you need today. That's, you can buy and ship only, whichever your pick is, you know, they got it all. So all you have to do is press on the sign up button and it will take you straight to a form where you actually put your first name, last name, phone number, email address, your gender, and also, you know, you click on the user agreement and then you press send address to get your UK and US address, and then you get an email from them, and voila, you definitely have your email, your address. That's the UK address and the US address where you can ship everything, and it's as simple as that. Basically there's nothing much to it, and basically you get to pay via M-Pesa or credit card, whichever you want. If probably you want to buy and ship for yourself, you know, you want them to buy and ship for you, then because maybe, you know, your credit card is not supported by other companies out there, you know, like maybe Sephora, I don't know, but you know, they get to buy with for you, and then you get to send them money through M-Pesa. So it's that easy, it's that cheap. There's nothing to it. Shout out to you, Zigofly, for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into the unboxing because I am so excited. I've been waiting for a whole month to unbox these things, but trust me, I can't anymore. I cannot. So the first product is from Super Great. So this is a review app. Basically, I have already talked about it on my last unboxing, or maybe on my Instagram. So if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, do check me out. L1_Blaze is your girl. This is a it's a lip oil glaze from In Beauty. Oh my god, it smells so good. That is so juicy. Oh my god, it tastes like candy. You will have to carry it because you'll have to keep on eating it because that's how sweet it is. It plumps, hydrates, and smoothens. So my lips are a bit crusty, so let's hope after this. It's actually a candy apple flavor. Wow, this is a beautiful product. In Beauty, thank you. In Beauty, you are the bomb. Shout out to you. I got something from Octoly, and this is the Incense Dipstick Paris fragrance. Paris. I'm trying to say it well, but you know, comes in a cute packaging like this. Wow. Okay, talk about packaging, guys. What? I love how amazing this looks. First of all, can we just appreciate the packaging? This is, and approximately this actually costs $250. Oh, let's see. I don't think this is the best smell to ever put on yourself ever. It smells like the fish oil from 7 Seas. if you kind of know it, it kind of has that smell, you know, the aftertaste kind of have that smell. Definitely not my taste of smell, of scent. I like a floral kind of sweet kind of vibe, but this yeah, I don't know. I'm getting dizzy. Anyway, thank you so much, but I do not think that's my scent right there. Next in we have Lancome Paris. We have Monsieur Big Palettes. Okay, I don't know where that came from, but you know. Ooh, honey, this has 12 shades of love. This is pretty. Oh my god, look at the big mirror. Wow, those are the shades, 12 shades. We have this side, which is Big Crush, Big Date, Big Night. Big Night has 3 mattes and 1 shimmer, and Big Crush has 2 mattes, 2 shimmers, and Big Date has 3 shimmers. This is actually really nice for like a, you know, Valentine's gift for someone, you know, someone you love, someone you care about. This is the ish right here. Next product is from Hum. This year I've actually said that I'm actually going to be more, you know, conscious of what I put in my body and, you know, take care of my body. I haven't been taking the right nutrients, the right vitamins. I mean, I have been a mess. So it has taken a whole year for me and a whole lot of skincare for me to have such perfect skin. But you know, I still want to be on this journey of skincare. So this is the box they sent me. So they sent me the Renewal Overnight Wake Up Bright Mighty. So they're saying Renewal Overnight Wake Up Bright hashtag start within. So this is the Mighty Night Overnight Cell Renewal for skin and body. It's a dream come true. This is how it looks like, the bottle. So good, I can't wait. I'm actually going to take this tonight because I need those skin cells to renew themselves. Okay, it also came with this this 3 collagen pop vitamin C boosts, skin boosts. So you get little pinks. I've actually seen this somewhere, but I don't remember where. But you actually get little pink tablets that you actually put into water and it fizzles. So anyway, thank you Hum for that package. Next package is from Skinfix. Now, when Skinfix DM'd me on my Instagram and they were like, hey girl, would like to send you some stuff, I was like, what? Me? I am so honored and so happy that you actually, you know, when a brand takes notice of your work and, you know, you kind of feel like you're doing something. So thank you Skinfix. So they sent over the Glycolic renewing scrub. So this is double duty body peel and polish for rough, bumpy and creepy skin. Ooh, that's my alley for creepy skin, rough skin. Wow, this is it. So this, I think you use this in the shower, you know. So this is a pre-shower body scrub. Retexturizes and smooths the appearance of crappy, rough and bumpy skin. So even keratosis pilaris, also known as chicken skin, you know, we take it off. Wow, okay, can't wait to use this. So good. So the next product is the Skinfix Correct Plus Dark Spot Corrector. Wow. Ooh, okay, so this is how it looks like. It's a cute little number. So this is a dark spot corrector. So it has 10 active treatments. Oh, tested and recommended by unbiased DOMs. Okay, so this one basically is clinically proven to minimize visible dark spots. I have dark spots here and here, which I really need. They bug me off because I wear glasses a lot, and I used to wear, you know, glasses with you know, the metal kind of thingy, you know, that helps your glasses not to bump to your face, and they kind of broke, so I was left with like a metal that was scratching me all the time, which was not cute, and kind of left me with 2 marks here. But right now I actually wear, you know, plastics only, basically I wear plastic frames, so no metal frames for me, never ever. So kind of have 2 spots here. Can't see them when I have foundation on, but this will be good. This will definitely be good. Thank you, Skin Fix. You kind of saw my problems. Wow, they actually sent a hair renewing cream. So this is the Resurface Plus. So this is it. This is the cream basically. This does this does is that it actually smooths dry and bumpy rough skin basically, and chicken skin. Well, I don't have chicken skin, but you know, we don't want to risk it. So thank you, Skin Fix. Thank you for sorting a girl's problems out, because my skin is dry as hell, my body skin, but my face is dry to normal, so you can tell that is not. Anyway guys, we are done with the unboxing. There wasn't much to unbox, but I hope you enjoyed the little unboxing. So this year, when the next unboxing I'll be doing, I'll be putting in a little bit of products on my giveaway, you know, bag. And when I'm ready to do a giveaway this year, I will do a giveaway. So yeah, so stick on to the channel, and definitely follow me on my Instagrams, because I might do the giveaways up in there as well, because this year is actually a good year. Anyway, on the sharing note, do share this video, like and subscribe if you liked the video, and also you might, you know, someone else might like it, so do share. Sharing is caring. I will see you on the next one, guys.